Now, the Supreme Court has expressed concern over road accident deaths across the country, calling it unacceptable. A court-appointed committee filed a report based on government figures, which revealed that 15,000 lives were lost over the last 5 years due to road accidents. The court said that the deaths were because of negligence by civic bodies, state government and the National Highways Authority of India. The bench also observed that no compensation was paid to the victim's family and that they should be entitled to one. The court has sought a response from the centre and has listed the matter for hearing in January. I'm joined by my colleague Srija MS from Bengaluru. Srija, a significant observations which have come out from the Supreme Court regarding deaths related to potholes, accidents which are resulting because of potholes on these roads. We know that Bengaluru also has faced this problem prior to that. Please take us through what are the issues that you see in Bengaluru and what's the response been of civic authorities?
Well, absolutely. It's a very great thing that we understand the apex court has taken note of the number of deaths. And remember, the number is also staggering across the country. Now, coming back to Karnataka over the last couple of years, over the last 2 to 3 years, have been infamous for especially pothole deaths. Just last year, we witnessed at least about 10 pothole deaths. This is from young and old alike. And we saw there was a drive conducted by the civic body here in Bengaluru alone. And now also we see that the Karnataka High Court, a PIL came up just last week and the case has been adjourned to December 12th. What we hear from the judge of the High Court, also Karnataka High Court, what he has told the civic body BBMP is that by 12th, all the potholes here in the city should be covered, because remember, there is a clear reason. Going by the numbers, we have the statistics which clearly say at least 200 pothole deaths were reported, that is over the last 2 years. So that is of course a very staggering number as far as the whole of Karnataka is concerned for a state, and this is definitely a huge cause to worry.
That's right, Srija. Thank you so much for joining us with those details. Please stay with us. I'm also joined by my colleague Santhya Gora from Mumbai. Santhya, as we see, of course, Supreme Court making these observations about pothole-related deaths with stats from across the country. We know in Mumbai it's a huge issue, especially during the rainy season. Are there any specific numbers that you have for Mumbai? And what's been the response of civic authorities?
Tanima, as you rightly said, that how Mumbai and Maharashtra, when it comes to Mumbai and Maharashtra, potholes become an extremely serious issue during monsoons. And if we talk about pothole deaths in Maharashtra, in 2016, there were 329 deaths all across Maharashtra. The number doubled. The next year, in 2017, there were 726 deaths, pothole deaths in Maharashtra. If we talk about Mumbai, in fact, in the month of July itself, this monsoon itself, there are 5 deaths just in the Mumbai region, even before the monsoon hit the city properly. And if we talk about the budget and if we talk about the civic authorities this year, 12 crore rupees were sanctioned just for the maintenance of for the roads of only Mumbai. And that also for a very long time till the end of June 2018, that was also not used. In fact, the monsoon preparations were not over in Mumbai before monsoon hit. Before the monsoon preparations were over in Mumbai as far as roads were concerned. And if we talk about the number of pothole deaths, Maharashtra, according to the information which was shared by the states with the central government, after UP, Maharashtra is on the second number when it comes to pothole death. It was second number in 2016 as well and in 2017 as well.
Right, Santhya. Hope the authorities are listening to some of these worrying figures. Thank you so much for getting us those details.